So any website we can show by live. So when I come into any website, we'll be searching for techsolution.com. Their website will open. So anyone will open for your site will be when searching online, automatic site will be open. This is nothing but total support by your servers. The server will be purchased by the any one website. The domain purchased by any one website. The server connectivity is called DNS, dedicated name servers. First of all, I'm just logging to my account. So just here. So my product will be ready here. So this is my hosting, reseller hosting and a reseller smart plan. So after purchasing this hosting, they're providing for total 4 name servers. How many name servers? Total 4 name servers. Your hosting purchase any website, domain purchase any website. To connectivity is called your name servers. These 4 name servers, go to your purchase your domain website. Any domain, the before option is showing for DNS, dedicated name servers. So what are my 4 name servers? One is Singapore, US, India and Europe. Anyone will be down, you can connect with another servers. So my website will be here by select by in this option DNS. You can cross check same name server will be there or not. We'll check by your GoDaddy booking website. See this. What are the name servers will be here? I have mentioned by here. Along with IP address, along with you can add in for name server with the alphabets. 2 options. So when adding for name servers, automatically my website will be in online. Without name server will be connect hosting to domain. Will not show your website will be online. There's a major part to connect any hosting to domain. The simple one, when purchase your domain, go to my product. Select your DNS, dedicated name servers, DNS. I'll show that 2 options. Change. When your first time purchase will show you for default. After you go for custom, add your own name servers. 2 will be common. You can add up to 4 also. So add on one more. Add it. Your wish. How many name servers you are providing for hosting? You can add by n number of name servers. Maximum they are providing for 2 or 4. Some kind of scenario will give the 6 or 5. As a rare, maximum 2 or 4 name servers. So not required. Delete it and click for save. And any name servers to connecting hosting to domain, the activation time will be 1 hour to 24 hours. 1 hour to 24 hours. After activation, your website going to live. After activation, your website going to live. So this is called activate DNS hosting to domain credential.